Hey guys, Wanger Time 89 here. Another really bad hill. As if you can see the car lights going up that end, it's kind of like a dip. You start way up top, you can't see, it's too dark, but you start way up top, come down bottom, and it gets really icy in here. So far tonight, by 6 p.m. I've towed out 7, I believe it was, free of charge, of course. I don't charge when I tow. I got a pretty lifted Chevy truck, 4x4, does an amazing job, so I figure I'll help the less fortunate out who have cars. So anyways, another random video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe to my